what's up? I'm Kylie and welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to a really fun video. This video is a really big collaboration. It was put together by the awesome Teresa at Teresa Starship. I will have her linked below. This collaboration, because it's so big with so many women, is broken up into 3 groups. I am in group 2, so I will have all of the I'll have the playlist listed below for all 3 groups, as well as the ladies who are in my group listed below. My group consists of Pat, Renee, Crystal, and Gloria, and these are their channels right here. I highly suggest you go and check them out. Some of them are still new to me, so I'm still getting to know them and everything. So it's been really interesting. I like getting to know new people. Although I have been back on my watching videos and not commenting thing, because I watch videos as I get ready for work and I can't comment and then get ready at the same time, if that makes any sense. I always like say, oh, I'm gonna go back, and then I don't, so I apologize about that. This collab will have a giveaway, so please stay tuned to the end of the video to find out all about the rules for the giveaway. I'm excited. I like giving stuff away when I can. So anyway, this is a really fun collab. It's a spring fling collab. So this spring fling collab, you had to pick between these colors right here. You could use 2 of them or 3 of them or all of them, whatever you wanted to do. I decided to challenge myself and I'm going to use all of them. I assumed you could like interpret them however you wanted to, like you could use a matte or a shimmer or multichrome or whatever you wanted just to get the colors. I already did use the pink, but I'm probably going to use another pink on my eyes. But I used, from my Kimchi Mango Tango palette, I used this color Strawberry right here as my blush. So I thought that was kind of like a springy pink. But then to create the rest of the look, I'm going to go into my Sigma Enchanted palette. And I am going to use 2 multichrome shadows. One from AB Cosmetics. This one here, it actually shifts, you actually can't even, this one right here, it actually shifts between a green and a purple. So I'm going to use that for both. And then this yellow one right here for yellow. And I might actually go into this purple one right here as well. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into creating my spring fling look. So I just primed my eyes with my P. Louise base. It's this one right here. I love this. It's a tackier base and I really like working with tackier bases. So to start off, I'm just going to go into this brown right here. So what are some of your favorite like spring activities to do? I don't know if I have like any like major favorite spring activities. I mean, I do like being outside. I don't know. Being out in nature is always nice, especially when the flowers and stuff are coming out. So like, I think that's the best part of spring in my opinion. Plus the weather starts getting warmer, which I mean is always just a plus in general. In New York lately, the weather's been kind of like funky. It's been like really warm and then it'll be cold and it's just been a lot of fun. But you know, I guess that's like spring weather though. So now for my brow bone, and just to kind of smooth out the top, I'm just going to go into this color right here, Quartz. It's a pretty matte, like, really light neutral color. Just using that to kind of just blend that in over there. And now to bring some green into it, I'm going to go into the green in this palette. It's called Evergreen. And I'm just going to keep that on the outer part of my eye. Bringing it in about like halfway, but not all the way. And now because I want to use like to kind of like duochrome multichromes, I'm just going to go into the black in this palette, which is called Wicked, and I'm going to apply that on the inner portion of my mobile lid where I'm going to concentrate the two like duochrome multichrome shades. I know right now this look is not looking very spring, but I swear it will. I like the black in this palette because it doesn't go all over the place. You know how like sometimes black, even if you like pat the brush out, can just fall out all over the place? This one's a nice one. So just like that, and then I am just gonna run my blending brush just a little bit through. For the multichromes to stick better, I'm just gonna put on a glitter glue. It holds them in place, and I also feel it makes them pop nicer too. So the first one I'm going to go into is this yellow one. This is from Terramoons and it's called Daybreak. And I'm just applying Daybreak to the inner portion of my mobile lid, and I'm actually going to bring that into my inner corner as well. This is a pretty yellow. It kind of picks up a little pink as well. And now I'm going to pull in Unicorn from AB Cosmetics. And I'm just going to pat that right next to Daybreak and just blend them right together. So this is what it's looking like so far. And I did want to add some more pink into it. So I think I'm actually going to go into another like duochrome, multichrome single. This one is from Luxe Beauty and this is called Goalz. And that I'm going to apply in my brow bone. It's really light, but it's really pretty. So I think it'll work really nice for the brow bone, and it won't pick up like too much color or be too dark. Because I hate that sometimes like I'll think of a color for a brow bone and then I go and I put it on and it's just like the wrong color and you're like, oh my god, what did I just do? Does anyone else ever do that, or is that just something that I do? For my lower lash line, I'm going to dip into that evergreen color, but I'm also going to dip into another color as well, like another multichrome color. So I'm just going to take this really lightly under my lash line. And then this is another color from AB Cosmetics, and this is called Starstruck, and I'm going to dip into that. It's not the best on the brush, but it'll get in there, and it's just going to be like really kind of very light, like sparkly purple mixed in with that green. Just like that. And then for my waterline, I'm going into a Chroma Zone multichrome eyeliner from Glam. I absolutely love these. Like, I know it's kind of like it's from Shein or whatever, but for being so cheap, these are really cool multichrome eyeliners. And this is called Subliminal, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. I've been obsessed with multichrome eyeliners. Like, I think since December, I've used nothing but multichrome eyeliners. I got a whole bunch from Sugar Drizzle and MBA Cosmetics, and then I have the 3 that Shein put out. And I can't stop myself, and I may or may not have ordered some more from AB Cosmetics. And I currently have some of the Danessa Myricks in my Sephora cart. Possibly going to buy it during the Sephora sale. Someone like stop me. Like I said in my intro, like there's never been a sparkle that I didn't like. I mean, if it gets in my eye and irritates it, we're really not good friends, but you know, I'll forgive you when you give that little glisten. Okay, so this is my finished look right here. I like how it came out. I know it's a little dark for spring, but I still think it's really, really fun. I don't know if you can see the purple shift on that green, but I'll just try and do it again. My eyes are closed, so obviously I can't tell what it's doing in the camera. We'll see what I'm editing. If not, I am going to...